So beauties, can you see how shiny, healthy and strong my hair is looking? So beauties, what's the secret behind it? In this video, I'm going to tell you what change I bring to my shampoo and my conditioner which led me to this. But before that, hello my beauties, welcome back to my channel. This side Veronica and you're watching Beauty's Crown. So beauties, without delaying, let's get started. So beauties, I recently got my hands on this Bare Minimum, a new way of living. So what's the special thing about it? Why I choose it? The main thing is beauties, Bare Minimum came with a very new concept of customizing your shampoo. Yes, you heard it right. You can customize your own shampoo according to your hair type, according to your hair problem, or according to hair thing or hair stuff which you are facing. So this will gonna give you amazing and lustrous and strong shiny hair because this shampoo is gonna specially customized for your hair only. So let's get started. Let's start with the box and everything I'm going to tell you. So it came in a box like this. I ordered it from its site Bare Minimum. My friend told me about this Bare Minimum and I ordered it. So it comes in a box, a beautiful luxury black box I must say, and you can see here it is written a new way of living and like this. Ooh! I ordered this combo hair oil, shampoo and conditioner, and I got this lip balm with this. So let me show you its bottle actually. So beauties, can you spot the difference between a normal shampoo bottle and this one? It is made up of steel. As you guys know, plastic is hazardous for our environment. It is very harmful. So Bare Minimum came up with this, a steel bottle which you can refill with your shampoo and conditioner again and again. So personally beauties, I was facing a problem of dull hair, totally frizzy, and I must say a very rough hair and a hair fall problem, dandruff, and I was like my hair had become like so rough because of this pollution environment. So I got this Bare Minimum. I ordered my shampoo according to my hair type, and this shampoo, this conditioner is specially designed for my hair. Let me tell you about the ingredients which they are having. So the ingredients are very organic. It is having amla extract, bringraj extract, coconut oil, brahmi extract, it has jojoba oil, it has then fenugreek extract, jatmansi extract, then it has rosemary extract, henna extract and green tea fragrance, and there are like so many things. So this shampoo is like amazing beauties. It will gonna make your hair soft and it will gonna make your hair very shiny. And again the conditioner is also customized according to my hair type, and this oil again is amazing. This oil I just applied overnight and next day morning I washed it with my shampoo and conditioner. And this yesterday I applied this hair oil yesterday night and just massage it all over my hair and leave it for overnight, and today morning I wash it with this shampoo and conditioner, and beauties, you can clearly see the result. This is I'm in love with it, you can see. So beauties, how I ordered it, I went to Bare Minimum site, searched for shampoo and conditioner according to my hair problem, and I ordered this, the whole kit, because I just love applying hair oil, shampoo and then conditioner from a same range. So I ordered this and they are turned into an amazing and totally worthy product. So beauties, I'm going to share the link of this thing in my description box. And one more thing beauties, I got their membership which is like $249 for 12 months, in which you are going to get so many things and you're going to get a free home delivery also. You can just check it out on their site actually. So this is why I just choose this Bare Minimum products. They are really good. There is something new which I found in them, that you can customize your shampoo according to your hair thing, and trust me, this will gonna give you a good result also. If you're planning to buy this, don't just plan, just go for it. It's my suggestion beauty, just go and give it a try, because trust me, this is very beneficial for environment and amazing for your hair. It is something new. Just go and give it a try at least once. So if you are thinking of buying this, then just use this BM Veronica 10, this code, and you are going to get 10% off in your first purchase. So you can just go and check it out, and beauties, just go and give it a try. Trust me, I am super happy with this. There are like so many good and benefit things of using this bare minimum, and packaging, everything is totally good. So just go and give it a try. I'm going to share the link of this product in my description box. If you're having, one more thing beauties, if you're having that frizzy hair, rough hair, and if you're having that dull and dandruff, if you're having dandruff on your hair, so you can also go with the same shampoo, which I'm going to share the link in my description box. And trust me, this is mind-blowing and a hair-changing thing, I must say. So beauties, hope you have liked this video, hope you have enjoyed it. Please subscribe my channel, do follow me on Instagram, and don't forget to check this bare minimum site. See you in the next video. Bye and take care.